Digestive system is made up of 9 basic parts.
Digestive system starts here at the teeth. Its job is to chew and tear down the food in small enough pieces so that it will be easier to swallow.
Next to the salivary gland is located on the back underneath your tongue. It creates our spit and helps us swallow our food. The tongue is a muscle that helps us swallow our food, and the saliva works with the tongue to create a ball, and then which our tongue also helps in the digestive process, and it helps swallow our food. And also it allows us to be able to taste the sweetness, the sourness, and the bitterness, etc. with our food.
Next is the esophagus. It's a tube that basically carries our food from our mouth down to our stomach. It's a trapdoor that in the throat that's called the epilogus. The epilogus sends food down the esophagus and prevents food from going down a windpipe into our lungs. The first stop after the esophagus is the stomach. The esophagus goes all the way into the stomach. Once the food gets to the stomach, it tries to make the smooth swallow by using gastric juices in our stomach. The food mixes in our stomach for about 3 to 4 hours until it becomes a liquid-like object that's called chyme. Now a valve at the end of the stomach opens, sending the food down past the liver into the gallbladder.
At the gallbladder, the food hits more chemicals. The liver makes a chemical called the bile, but the bile is not located in the liver. It's located in the gallbladder, which you see here. And it mixes the bile with the food, and so it's able to break chemicals such as milk, or like fat, such as milk, cheese, and things like that.
Now the pancreas. Okay, first this is the pancreas, this little white blob right here. The pancreas also adds digestive chemicals as the food leaves the stomach. The chemicals work by breaking down the carbohydrates. Okay. The small intestine is the real hero of this digestive system. The small intestine is a tube that is about 22 feet long. This is the real digestion, where real digestion takes place. As the food passes through it, it is mixed with even more chemicals. Soon our food is now small enough for us to take into our body. Along the walls of the intestine is thousands of folds called the villi. Also, blood vessels in the villi can absorb into tiny molecules, send them off into the rest of the body through the blood. Whatever the body cannot digest is sent to the large intestine. So this is the small intestine, and the large intestine surrounds it. Many plants that contain cellulose cannot be digested, as we know. So the big job of the large intestine is to remove all the water that it can. Food spends about 12 hours in the large intestine, where it becomes feces, and later leaves the body through the anus and when we use the bathroom. Digestive is the process. I knew you were going to say it. I'm not going to Wait, they didn't start it. Yeah, they just started. E-S-T-I-V-E.